Hi, so what I'm doing here is a combination of acupuncture and moxabustion. This patient of mine works in construction and he has gotten a bad bone bruise on his ankle there, right where those two needles are. And so I'm needling a horizontal insertion or in between horizontal and perpendicular into the area of the bone bruise to draw out the inflammation that causes the pain. And at the same time, moxabustion is a really valuable technique to use in acute injury, sports injury. I do it a lot with my patients who are ballet dancers. So tendon inflammation, partial tears of tendons and ligaments, bone bruises, and also bone breaks. Moxabustion is very, very useful because it very strongly moves the qi. It very strongly moves the qi and has an anti-inflammatory effect and brings energy to the area. So a key difference between moxabustion and needles. Needles unblock stagnation of the qi in Chinese medical theory, and so they don't add qi to the area, they're unblocking the body's qi. Now, if you're a qigong master and you do put energy into the needle through that way, that's one thing. Moxabustion, on the other hand, all other things being neutral, moxabustion, on the other hand, because it's fire is heat, heat is energy, as in the word calories, which is a way that we measure the energy in a food is by the heat that it produces. Hence the word calorie is similar to the Spanish word calor, which means warm or hot. And does it mean hot or just warm, calor?
Hot.
Yeah, it means hot. Okay, that's what I thought. That's what I'm doing. Now, I did actually, before I put these two moxa here, I had needled there as well. And so the bone is just above where my finger is. So at the base of that's where the bone ends. So if I were to press here, it would hurt him a lot. So naturally, that's where I put a needle in, and followed by moxa. So if I can, I'll do the moxabustion over a needle like that. This is called direct moxa or ibuki moxa. And otherwise, in this case, I had needled first and did the moxa second. I also did points on the tibialis anterior. Sorry, I said tibialis anterior. What I meant was the pronaos longus, because the fascia of the pronaos longus comes down over this area. But I've taken those needles out already. Okay, thank you.